To fix the Temu app when it's not working, first ensure you have access to the application. You can download it from the App Store or access it through the website by typing www.temu.com into your browser. Once you have access, you can create an account or log in to an existing one, following the verification process and entering your details. If the app is not working, the first potential issue to check is your internet connection. An unstable connection can cause the app to malfunction, resulting in slow processing and loading times. Another possible solution is to update the Temu app to the latest version, which can be done through the App Store or Play Store. Regular updates, also known as patching, help prevent vulnerabilities and fix issues that could be exploited by hackers. As a user, it's essential to consistently update your applications to avoid using outdated versions that may be prone to problems. Additionally, you can try clearing the Temu app's cache and data. To do this, go to your settings, find the app, and select storage. Then clear the cache and data. This helps remove any backlog or unnecessary data that may be hindering the app's performance. If none of these steps work, reinstalling the Temu app may be the last resort. By trying these solutions, you should be able to fix the Temu app when it's not working.